Most AI money advice you see online, it's fake. People are out there promising instant income, passive cash, and success with zero effort. But let's be real. If AI really worked like a magic money printer, wouldn't everyone already be rich? So, what's actually happening behind the curtain? Here's the thing. AI is not a money machine. It's a leverage machine. The people who are genuinely making money with AI aren't using some secret, hidden tools. They're using the same public tools as everyone else. Think ChatGPT, CapCut, image generators, and voice AI. There's nothing hidden. The real difference is their strategy. You see, most beginners just copy what tools other people are using. But the smart creators? They build systems. A tool gives you an output, like an image or a piece of text. But a system? A system gives you income. That's the fundamental truth that nobody seems to explain. AI by itself doesn't pay you. Distribution pays you. Attention pays you. Consistency pays you. AI is just the accelerator that speeds up the whole process. If you look at what's actually working right now, it's not about finding one magic app. It's about building short-form content factories, creating digital products, offering AI-assisted freelancing services, and setting up automation pipelines. Successful people are combining different tools in smart ways. They're not constantly chasing the next shiny new application. The winners don't hunt for tools. They build efficient workflows. Here's the crucial mental shift you need to make. AI is replacing effort, not intelligence. This means lazy people don't suddenly win. Strategic people just win faster. AI rewards the thinkers, not the mindless clickers. If you're trying to use AI simply to avoid doing any work, you're going to lose. But if you use AI to multiply the work you're already doing, that's when you start to scale. Every single successful AI earner I've seen does the same three things, without exception. First, they publish content consistently. Second, they focus on improving every single week. And third, they build an audience first and then focus on income second. Money always follows attention, not the other way around. This is precisely why most people fail. They're too busy chasing shortcuts instead of developing valuable skills. So, the real opportunity with AI is this. Be early to building systems, not just adopting tools. Anyone can download an app, but very few people can build the habits required to use it effectively. And in the long run, habits beat tools every single time. AI is the biggest productivity amplifier in human history, but it only works if you're already in motion. If you're still sitting on the sidelines, waiting for the perfect AI tool to come along, you're already behind. The creators who are winning right now aren't necessarily smarter than you, they just started. And more importantly, they kept going. AI rewards action. It doesn't reward perfection. It doesn't reward endless planning. It rewards action. If you want real AI strategies without all the fake hype, you should follow this channel. I'm here to document what actually works in the real world, not just what sounds good on paper. The AI gold rush isn't some far-off event that's coming soon. It's already here. And the crazy part is, most people still don't see it.